Well, so as of yesterday, it was like a busy day for me because I was, on Instagram, I do these little write-ups on, on people whom I feel are truly unique. So I stumbled upon this particular profile called the Urban Barefoot. Now, people, you'll have to check out this profile on Instagram, or maybe it's even if you Google it, I'm sure you'll find. I didn't even know that there is something like. Did you know that walking barefoot is the kindest thing you can do for yourself? I mean, like, see, right now world is still pretty much under lockdown, so being barefoot at home is supposed to be a very good thing. In fact, they say you are supposed to be barefoot everywhere. Like, this I know that grass is really good for the health of the uh, of of the overall health, the foot reflexology and all. But for me, the most amazing thing about this particular profile, the Urban Barefoot, was this gentleman. Yeah, he's so ahead of his times. I mean, uh, like, most people, we don't even comprehend that something like our foot health can impact our overall health and the way we even think. So it was such a revelation going through this particular profile. So do try and check it out, people. It's called the Urban Barefoot, and you can find him on Instagram. And hats off, sir. It's a salute, because he'll revolutionize the way you think. And I think that is like the most amazing thing you can do for anyone. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.